Well, this is so special, I really want to share it with you. Here, pocket watch, but repetition and chronograph. That is special, but there's more. And that is on this side. There. Maybe you recognize the English crown, and it is Remembrance on February 13th, 1876. Given to Leendert Spaander, a Dutchman, and he saved 2 drowning men here in the North Sea. And from the English crown, this was the present. And it is an amazing watch, but with the royal link and the heroics, it's really something special. Do you see how elegant the chronograph and the second hand is? So small, so elegant, so really readable. And then the other side. Here. The movement is so special because it is a normal movement, timekeeping. Then we have the repetition, I'll show you on the microscope in a moment, and a chronograph function. That is just so special. Here we are, under the microscope. Here. The beautiful Breguet overcoil, so it is accurate. It isn't restored, but just the basics and the layouts, I really want to show it with you. Here is the brake with tiny springs and the column wheel chronograph in the 1870s, please remember. And the Swiss lever escapement. Well, this is a coaxial wheel, 2 wheels, that one and that one on the same pivot. So that one is always running because it's part of the movement. So this wheel is always running, engaged with this one. And here is a chronograph function. It goes in and out, engaged, disengaged. Show you. There's, do you see the broken jewel there? Oh, so that wheel is always running and engaged, and here we can move it about. Chronograph is running and disengaged and reset. Again, like this. Engaged. I see the depthing can be a whole lot better there. So it's a mono pusher, just one operation. But then on that side there's another one. Just look at this. The quarter repeater, first the hours and then the quarters. With the gong, there, 2 of them have to be hardened steel, exactly the right thickness and the right length for the pitch, otherwise it isn't in tune and it cannot touch anything going around here, because if it touches anything you heard plock instead of ping. This it just, and please again remember the 1870s. And here with the brake. Beautiful, beautiful watch for a very heroic act. I really hope you enjoyed this special watch. I see you. Bye bye.